concludes the test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming. Region today behind a cold front in late Sunday, mostly sunny. Lexington, Williamsburg, it was fair with a temperature of 32. Normal temperatures for the second half of the week.
Now wait for
32 at Fort Knox.
now wait for
Across
Jackson to
northern
test.
Kentucky and southern Ohio, it was mostly sunny, and temperatures were between 29 and 31 degrees. And finally, in West Virginia, skies ranged from partly sunny to cloudy, and temperatures were between 32 and 34 degrees. NOAA Weather Radio. For river interests in the listening area, here is the river stage report for Tuesday, December 22nd, 2021. No significant precipitation fell in the listening area during the last 24 hours. And now for some current river stages. Kentucky River near Ravenna, 11.4 at 8 a.m. Red River at Clay City, 4.6 at 8 a.m. Licking River near Salyersville, 5.2 at 8 a.m. Levisa for Big Sandy River at Paintsville, 5.3 at 7 Licking River at Kid Run
Test of our weather radio.
25.2.
Start.
Oh my god.
In Kentucky, Bell, Breathitt, Clay, Estill, Floyd, Harlan, Jackson, Johnson, Knott, Knox, Lee, Leslie, Letcher, Goffin, Martin, Morgan, Housley, Harry, Pike, and Wolf.
Did they just fail? Are you kidding me?
15 miles an hour now the extent of the Sunday, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of rain in the afternoon expected at this time.
This National Weather Service Office, Jackson, Kentucky. We have just activated the public warning alarm as a test of our weather radio's warning alarm. This is only a test. During potentially dangerous weather, specially built can be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Test signal first performance on conduct 11 a.m. and time Wednesday. There is threat of or severe weather in the area. Postpone test next available weather day. Reception of broadcast, especially warning alarm tone, vary at any given location. Variability more noticeable at greater distance. Transmitter per so good quality. Good work. In order to provide the federal warning service costs, activate the signal for the following counties which are no broadcast. Bell, Breathitt, Clay, Floyd, Harlan, Jackson, Knott, Knox, Lawrence, Lee, Leslie, Letcher, Martin, Housley, Perry, and Pike counties. In West Virginia, Wayne and Mingo counties. In Virginia, Buchanan, Dickinson, Quad, Lee, and Wise counties. Once again, just test of the National Weather Service radio public alarm system. We will now return to reporting purposes.
Northern Kentucky International Airport, inward 32 degrees with a wind chill of 24 under fair skies.
Okay, that actually was kind of hilarious. That was kind of hilarious at the same time. Holy shit.
Here is a look at conditions. Hazards Weather Radio broadcasts on 7 fixed frequencies all across the United States. These frequencies are and 39 Northwest at
Channel 7.
National Weather Service Office in Jackson, Kentucky. We have just activated the public warning alarm tone as a test of our weather radio station warning alarm. Only a test. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built to automatically warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal and performance are normally conducted at 11 a.m. and Eastern Time Wednesday. If there is a threat of or severe weather in the area, postpone the test to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. The variability is more noticeable at greater transmitter. Even though you're in good quality, good working order. In order to provide consistent and dependable warning service possible, we will activate the signal only for the following counties which are within the broadcast: Bath, Carter, Elliott, Cecil, Fleming, Johnson, Lewis, Gopin, Neese, Montgomery, Morgan, Powell, Rowan, and Wolfe County. Once again, it's been a test of the National Weather Service radio public warning system. We will now return to the programming.
Southwest wind. Hour. All hazards weather radio. Serving Kentucky. Here is a look at conditions across the area at 11. Lee and Wise counties in regional air. Here is a look at conditions now for the official National Weather Service.
Now wait for channel 2 to test.
Fort Lauderdale, Florida. For all the art in every dentist's office country.
Right as I said that. Right as I said that. Up, here it goes.
This is the National Weather Service office in Jackson, Kentucky. We have just activated the public warning alarm tone as a test of our weather radio station warning alarm system. Only a test. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built, automatically activated warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal and receiving form are normally conducted between 11 a.m. noon Eastern Time each Wednesday. There is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area. We'll postpone the test to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. The variability is more noticeable at greater distance from the transmitter. Even though you're using a good quality and good work order. In order to provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, we will activate the signal only for the following counties that are within broadcast: Adair, Casey, Clinton, Greene, Knox, Laurel, Lincoln, Marion, Creary, Metcalf, West, Rockcastle, Russell, Taylor, Wayne, Whitby County. Once again, it's been a test of the National Weather Service radio public warning system. We will now return recording.
Well, shit. I gotta see if I can DX,
Marion. West Virginia and eastern Tennessee. Skies range from mostly sunny to partly sunny. 32 at Wise and 42 at Bristol. Morristown reported 41. Sevierville reported 43. And Knoxville reported 43. For river interests in the listening area, here is the river stage report. Another low-pressure moves through early next week, bringing river stages. Cumberland River at Cumberland, 3.9 at 5 a.m. Cumberland River in parts of southeast is 78.5 at 7 a.m. Cumberland River at Barber Observation is not anticipated at 8 a.m. or will build into the region. 58. Here are some river levels reported this morning. On the Kentucky River, Pine Ridge Lock up. Here are some river levels reported this morning. On the Kentucky Lockport Lock up 12 points eve and linger into Christmas. Pine Ridge Lock upper was 12 points.
all right. Ooh, this is live. This is the live test version of Yep. The weather radios. 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
36 degrees. At Jackson, it was.
All right, that was it. Hope you enjoyed.